Stunning. Extremely beautiful or impressive. Example: the sunset over the ocean was absolutely stunning. Exquisite. Exceptionally beautiful or delicate. Example: her wedding dress was made with exquisite embroidery. Breathtaking. Extremely exciting or beautiful. Example: the view from the top of the mountain was breathtaking. Coy. Shy or pretending to be shy, often flirtatiously. Example: she gave him a coy smile before looking away. Impudent. Disrespectful or rude in a bold way. Example: his impudent remarks offended the teacher. Insolent. Showing a lack of respect, rude. Example: the waiter was fired for being insolent to customers. Harsh. Severe, unkind, or unpleasant. Example: the harsh winter left many people stranded. Impolite. Not polite or rude. Example: it's impolite to interrupt someone while they are speaking. Misery. A state of great suffering or unhappiness. Example: after losing his job, he lived in misery for months. Agony. Intense physical or mental suffering. Example: she was in agony after the accident. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.